Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lindt chocolate truffles, full guide. Heat 240 ml heavy cream until steaming, pour over 340 g chopped dark chocolate, stir until glossy, add 30 g butter, cool to room temperature, refrigerate until firm, scoop and roll into balls, then coat with cocoa powder or tempered chocolate for a professional finish. Start by chopping 340 g chocolate into small pieces for even melting and combine with 240 ml hot cream to form a smooth ganache. Rest for 2 minutes before stirring slowly to avoid creating air pockets. Stir until fully emulsified, then whisk in 30 g butter for extra shine. Chill uncovered until firm enough to scoop, about 1 to 2 hours depending on your fridge temperature. Scoop chilled ganache with a small spoon or 1 tablespoon scoop, then roll between lightly floured or cocoa-dusted palms to form smooth balls. For a shiny shell, dip truffles into tempered chocolate and set on parchment. Alternatively, roll in cocoa powder, crushed nuts, or sprinkles for texture. Keep truffles chilled in an airtight container and allow them to sit at room temperature briefly before serving so flavors open up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.